Everybody, and welcome to my vlog. Today I want to talk about the rental crisis. There's a lot of talk about that, and there was an article in the paper today saying that there's going to be more pressure on rents. And one of the phenomena that we are seeing across our business is landlords are selling their properties. Now, why are they doing that? Now, they're selling to owner-occupiers, so I suppose, someone can take it, but it means there's less rental stock in the market. Why are they doing that? Couple of reasons. Firstly, they got hammered in COVID. So, a lot of people forgot that most people who own a property own one and it's negatively geared. So therefore it's costing them money. And what they're banking on is the fact that they're going to get capital gain. So in COVID, rents went right down. So that meant they were paying more to hold the property. Obviously, rents have come back strongly after COVID, which is great, but interest rates have rocketed up. So what's happened is the amount of rent they're receiving is not covering the extra interest that they're having to pay. So it's not looking so crash hot. Also, the thing that's also in their favor is that the market has actually held up okay. So this is the fascinating thing about the last year. Obviously, with the rapid increase in interest rates, the punt or the prediction was that property would collapse. I always love it. Like 27 years I've been doing this, and there's always a collapse just around the corner. But what's happened is it hasn't collapsed. Definitely come off in places. Good property still selling strongly. I think there's been the big picture number is a 10% increase over the years. So definitely going up. So what that means is landlords have been able to sell and get a pretty good price, or get an okay price, enough of a price for them to exit and get out. And so we're seeing that. So the question is, what is the long-term ramifications of that? If and we can see this because the number of managements that we're managing is reducing because of this phenomena. If we're seeing that, and it's being seen across the board, it means the number of rental properties that are available for tenants to rent is shrinking. So we need to attract landlords back. One of the other things that is stopping landlords or people from investing in property, I think, is because of superannuation, which obviously is it's been with us for a long time, but people are getting used to making other investment choices with their money. So, maybe they got 100 grand, 200 grand, they think they'll buy a property, but what they're doing is they're investing it in a fund or doing something else with it. Some of those investments are a lot more liquid than property is. And, people like that. So there's more investment choice for people as well. And I definitely think that's having an effect on people wanting to come into property. I suppose the positive is that values have held up. So in terms of the crisis that we've been through, COVID, interest rates, property prices are pretty solid. So pretty safe place for you to put your money. So interesting. So anyway, I thought I'd mention that. If you're a first-time owner, buying someone's, unit that's been rented for years might be the go, might be the opportunity for you. But that's definitely a big factor that's pushing rental affordability down. Okay.